Subscribe.
Nope.
Will you subscribe?
What? Oh no! I'll go right up your nose!
Whoa, whoa, whoa! You wouldn't hit a woman.
That's a woman?
Green light.
Yeah, nobody falling for that dummy.
Green light.
That was just stupid.
Wakamini mini oh. Huh?
Good afternoon.
Afternoon, sir.
Ice cream？ 早上好，中国！现在我要冰淇淋，我喜欢冰淇淋。
Nope. Dutchman's residence.
So, as I was saying, you and me gotta hang out more. Well, what nights are good for you? Here are the nights that are good for me. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I gotta work. I work at the Krusty Krab. My best friend is Patrick.
Yo, bro, who got you smiling like that?
Your eyes, the way you're looking at killer lights. So baby, close your knee. You got me mesmerized. Something.
Put the money in the bag. Put the money in the bag. Okay. Put the money in my ass. Oh shit.
Muchas gracias, afición. Este es para vosotros.
Puppies, what are you doing?
Show your head.
Nope.
I could use a mint. Fake vomit.
No.
Real vomit?
Ew. Ah. But I do have to throw away the
What the hell? Oh my God, no.
That is the stupidest dance move I've ever seen.
Who put you on the planet?
I'm pretty sure that wasn't supposed to happen. Come on, Plankton. We gotta clean this up before Bubbles gets back.
Much better, yes. You two are free to go. What happened to Saturn and Jupiter? You were supposed to... Keep them from smashing into each other.
Sorry.
Now, I am going to lose my job, and you will lose your lives.
This is it. Where Hoops lives.
It's a palace.
I'm too nervous to knock. I don't really know him. What if he's one of those suffering artist types? Or into witchcraft?
Oh, what if he's a cannibal and wants to eat us?
What if he's a cannibal and doesn't want to eat us?
We couldn't live with the shame. Oh, shh.
Stop taking my chips! Stop taking my chips, okay?
Okay. Think of things. Come on, brain. Think of things. Come on, brain. Please,
Huh? Here I come!
La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La la. Doo. Doom doom doo.
Hello again. What's happening?
I'm free!
Yabba dabba doop. Yamma the mamma, llama gamma goop. Hey, yabba bebop. Yabba the dabba when the beat drop. Hey, yabba dabba doobop. Hey, yabba dabba doobop.
Kids, bury me!
See what I mean? All done.
All right!
Bubble Buddy, you dig him out while I get some cotton candy.
Don't just stand there, dude! The tide's coming in! Oh! Yeah.
Here I come!
Choose yours.
Right. Un frigo camelo cammina con amore.
Thank you. Choose yours.
Right.
Lirili larila, lirili lirili larila.
Yes. Choose yours. Left. Choose yours.
Right. Tung 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 tung
Yummy? Yes.
I want to live! I want to live!
Happy, happy, happy. Oh! Happy, 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 happy. Oh! Happy, 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 happy. Oh! Happy, 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 happy. Is he still trying to turn into a Super Saiyan? Stop! You're gonna pop something important. Is he still trying to turn into a Super Saiyan? Stop! You're gonna pop something important. Is he still trying to turn into a Super Saiyan? Stop! You're gonna pop something important.
Oh no.
Can do. We're gonna open a jar. Easy. Now you try. First, get a jar. Patrick, that's a pickle.
Yes.
6 to 8 weeks before I can attack the Krusty Krab again. Oh well, at least I'm not in trouble anymore.
Oh boy! Only 6 to 8 weeks before I can work at the Krusty Krab again.
Ouch! Karate is a pain in the ouch!
You can take the night off, pal. Ring a bell.
I don't need this.
What? Where do you think you're going?
I'm going back to work.
Work!
He got hit in the head with 2 coconuts.
So, this is work?
You know, it's not as easy as it looks. Sometimes I gotta move the antenna, sometimes I lose the remote, and sometimes my butt itches real bad.
Oh, you poor thing. By the way, you forgot your briefcase.
Ooh.
Can you two be quiet?
Put the money in the bag. Put the money in the bag. Put the money in my ass! Oh shit!
It's mine! It's mine! No, it's mine! It's mine!
By the way, you're gay. You want me to explode?
Yes! That's what I've been waiting for!
Okay, I'll try.
You are gay! That's not what I meant, you barnacle head! And why aren't you in uniform?
Wait, what just happened?
Yeah or no?
No. Yes. No. Yes.
SpongeBob, you gotta ask him a question first.
Oh yeah. What color is my underwear?
Sorry, SpongeBob, but Gary's with me now. You had your chance and you failed. You have to stop living in the past. Face it, SpongeBob, you're only hurting yourself. Where is that freaky, funky smell coming from?
Did you see me? Okay, see you later, Squidnator. Helping friends from up above. These are the things that I love.
I thought what we had was special!
I sit on you. Assertiveness lesson number 1. Tell him to get off!
Excuse me, sir. You're sitting on my body, which is also my face.
No, be assertive!
Beep, beep.
Not insertive! SpongeBob, you missed your chance!
That sounds like a quarter crying for help. Come to Papa!
Hold it right there, buddy. My son just dropped that quarter.
Yeah? Well, that kid looks pretty shifty to me. How do I know he didn't steal it? Hey! That little brat's throwing perfectly good money away! Oh, so if I can't have it, no one... I hope he throws all your retirement money down a hole! Poor little quarter. What the... This well is full of money! Don't worry, little fellas! I'll save ya! Oh, it's no use. Me poop deck's too big.
Make a wish, dear.
All my wishes have already come true.
Oh, you.
Oh! I'll save ya money! Gotcha! What you heartless brutes! Men ready for your super special secret assignment? The 2 of you are to paint the inside of me house!
Okay.
Huh?
But, sir, we need to get back to Bikini Bottom.
Oh well.
Where is this, SpongeBob?
Rock Bottom. It sure is weird around here. Kinda different. Even the soil looks different.
Would you mind putting me down?
Don't they know I'm busy spoiling myself?
Ugh! Where is that freaky, funky smell coming from?
Please do not disturb. Excuse me?
Don't make noise.
Get out of here!
I did everything for her.
Yo, you wallin', bro! You wallin', bro!
I set them near the.
Yabba dabba doo, yamma the mamma, llama gamma goo. Hey, yabba bebop, gamma juice, yabba the dabba when the beat drop. Hey, yabba dabba doo bop, hey, yabba dabba dabba doo bop. What?
Where are you? I'm over here.
Put the money in the bag. Put the money in the bag. Okay. Put the money in my ass! Oh shit!
You can take the night off, pal. Ring a bell.
I don't need this.
What? Where do you think you're going?
I'm going back to work.
Work!
He got hit in the head with 2 coconuts.
So, this is work?
You know, it's not as easy as it looks. Sometimes I gotta move the antenna, sometimes I lose the remote, and sometimes my butt itches real bad.
Oh, you poor, poor thing. By the way, you forgot your briefcase.
Oh, so this is the thanks I get for working overtime.
Overtime!
That sounds like a quarter crying for help. Come to Papa.
Hold it right there, buddy. My son just dropped that quarter.
Yeah? Well, that kid looks pretty shifty to me. How do I know he didn't steal it? Hey! That little brat's throwing perfectly good money away! Oh, so if I can't have it, no one... I hope he throws all your retirement money down a hole! Poor little quarter. What the... This well is full of money! Don't worry, little fellas! I'll save ya! Oh, it's no use. Me poop deck's too big.
Make a wish, dear.
All my wishes have already come true.
Oh, you.
I'll save your money! Gotcha! What you heartless brutes Chocolate!
No, don't hurt us! No, please don't hurt me!
Finally! I've been trying to catch you boys all day! Now that I've got you right where I want you, I'd like to buy all your chocolate.
Thank you for your patronage.
Chicky, 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 my name is Chicky. Clop, clop, my name is Cha-Cha, Cha-Cha-Cha. My name is Chicky. Clop, clop, Cha-Cha-Cha. My name is Chicky.
Plop, plop, cha-cha-cha!
My name is Boom Boom. Boom Boom Boom. Where is that freaky, funky smell coming from?
Mission failed.
It takes so long to get to my house, to take me out. Tonight I'm gonna give you all my love in the backseat. Bubble pop and electric, bubble pop.